guys, we're at the Gallie Causeway boat ramp. Look at this. This is nuts. This is the day after the hurricane. Look at this. Come in. Wow. Yeah, this is nuts, guys. This is crazy. Look at this. This is the day after the hurricane. Yeah, guys, the boat's sunk. I guess this is boat debris. Yeah, guys, so we just wanted to show you a little bit about this. This is crazy. The time right now is 11:11 a.m. right now on the 10th of November. And it's still going crazy, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, if you liked the video you just saw, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Have a great day.